Why is soldering better than using a connector? This is a question I get daily. Why do I have to solder it? Simply put, here's some connectors. So, this is what we call our clamshell connector, okay? When we look at LED strip and we see the little copper dots on there, that's what we have to connect to. So, we're relying on a plastic connector that has a current rating, okay? It is not open, right? It has a load rating. It has a couple of bimetallic strips inside it that you can see there. So it has a couple of bimetallic strips inside it. They are what connect to the LED strip. So if, for example, if I slide that in there and then I clip that down, okay, that's great. This has a 30 watt rating. Okay, so if there's one issue or I've got a hot joint somewhere, this is the weakest link. This is the part that's actually going to fail. As an alternative to that, we also have what we call our X1. Now, these are probably better because these have a slide-on bar. Now, this might be a bit hard for you to see, but I do have pictures. So there's a little bar, that little black bar there, that slides up and down. The LED strip slides in, that bar slides on, locks onto the LED strip. So it's forcing the LED strip onto the connectors. Now these have a multiple wire connector. Okay, so they're actually connecting to not just one point, they're actually connecting to 2 or 3 points. When that bar pushes it forces the LED strip up onto those connection points, creating a really good contact. But again, they do have a current carrying capacity or a wattage capacity, and it still is around 30 watts. But they are the preferred alternative. But do you know what? If I want reliability and I want to do a job and I want to get it done, solder. Simply solder. It's as easy as it takes a few extra minutes to solder, but once you've soldered it, it's there for life. It's there for life. You can test it. You put a bit of hot glue over the top of it. But once you've soldered that LED strip, it's done. Okay, it's robust, it's solid. It has no current carrying capacity. The current carrying capacity is limited then to just the cable attaching it. Okay, so, and with LED strip, it's a concern, but it's not a concern of carrying ability.